It was banned. Sarap. Yum. Hello, it's RG of AstigVegan, and I'm thrilled to be featuring a fruit that I missed so much. It's called Mangosteen. I can't remember when was the last time I've had this before. As a kid growing up here in the Philippines, it's still kind of hard to come by or find, especially when I migrated to the US. Then it was really hard to find it. Maybe the ones that I would come across would be concentrate ones, or juice, or in other forms, but never this fresh type of fruit. It's super hard to come by in the US, and I just learned that that's because pre-2007 it was banned. This was not allowed to enter the country in the US, and it's not because of what's inside it. Don't worry, it's not toxic or poisonous or psychedelic or anything like that. It's because it can attract a type of fruit fly that the US does not want. But in 2007, they figured out a way and now allow mangosteen. But mangosteen still has a very short season, so that's the reason why it's kind of hard to come by and can be very pricey and expensive. Inside, already looks like a juicy, tender pulp. And it's super high in vitamins, nutrients, antioxidants, fiber, low calorie. It can control blood sugar, and some people even say that it can promote weight loss. Sarap. Yum. It tastes like candy. It's mostly sweet, slightly tangy. It's similar to like a cherry, like a black cherry flavor. By the way, be careful when you're opening it because the purple tint can stain. In fact, it's used as a natural dye. So for like clothes and fabrics and stuff, used by itself, but you can make jams, jellies, you can make sorbets, ice cream, what else? Cakes, put them in salads, smoothies. I usually just go straight and eat the mangosteen. Are you a fan, not a big fan? Or if you have never heard of it before, let me know in the comment section too. What do you think about it, your first impression? And if you would like to get notified about things like this, other fruits and veggies, feel free to hit the like or subscribe button so that you can keep in touch and stay tuned. Marami pong salamat for watching. My name is RG of AstigVegan, and I'll see you next time. Bye!